TV screens will be turned to pause just till the end of the safety demonstration. We'd like to once again welcome you aboard Frontier Airlines Airbus A320 jet service to the San Francisco International Airport. Your flight attendants this evening from front to back are Meg, Melissa, Jamie, and my name is Lori. Captain Pratt is in command and he is assisted by First Officer Elliston. On behalf of your entire flight crew, and Yukon the Caribou, who's traveling on our tail and winglets, we'd like to thank you very much for choosing Frontier this evening in your travel plans, and we do thank you for your patience. Please make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright and locked positions. Check to see that your seat belt is securely fastened and that all of your carry-ons are placed underneath the seat in front of you. All electronic devices must be held or secured in a pocket or carry-on for our departure. In the seat back pocket, you'll find a safety information card illustrating important safety features of our aircraft. We'd like to ask that you please direct your attention to my coworkers as we demonstrate these very important safety features. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. To tighten, pull on the loose strap, and to release, lift up on top of the buckle. Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap. Our aircraft this evening is equipped with 8 emergency exits. There are 2-door exits in the front, 2-door exits in the rear of the cabin, and in addition there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on each side. Each exit is equipped with an evacuation slide that inflates automatically when opened. Slides at each door may be detached and used as rafts. An additional life raft is located in an overhead bin as noted on the safety information card. All exits are clearly marked with red and white exit signs overhead. Emergency lighting along the aisle will direct you to red lights at all exits, and we do ask that you please take a moment, locate your nearest exit this evening, keeping in mind that it also may be behind you. In the event of a water evacuation, your flotation device is a life vest, which is sealed in a plastic bag located in a pocket underneath your seat. Its use is illustrated on the back of the safety information card, and the life vest should not be removed unless a crew member advises you to do so. To remove the life vest from the bag, pull the tab to one side, and to use the vest, slip it over your head. Cross one end of the white strap hanging in the front, bring that around your waist, and insert the end into the clasp. To tighten, pull outwards on the white strap. Your vest may be inflated automatically by pulling down sharply on the red tabs located on the front of the vest or by blowing into the red inflation tube near your shoulder. Your vest is also equipped with a water-activated light, and additional information regarding flotation devices for small children may be found in the safety information card. And our cabin will be pressurized during the flight. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartment above your seat. Immediately pull down on a mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended, as this starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the elastic band, and breathe normally. The mask may be adjusted by pulling on the tabs on either side of the mask, and we do ask that you please adjust your mask first before assisting a child or another passenger. And although oxygen is flowing, that bag may not inflate. And federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with crew member instructions, the fasten seatbelt sign, and all other lighted information signs and posted placards. Smoking is not permitted on board the aircraft, including in the lavatories, and federal law does prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. For everyone's comfort, safety, and security, we do require that passengers refrain from congregating in the aisles, galleys, and lavatories during the flight. Only one passenger is allowed to be waiting in the forward aisle or entry area at any time. Thank you so much for your attention. Again, it's our pleasure to have you on board with us, and we hope you enjoy the flight to San Francisco. Welcome aboard.
Next report, your flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
passenger that just rang their flight attendant call button in row 25. If you have an emergency, would you please turn the call button off and ring us one more time, please?
Frontier Airlines welcomes you to San Francisco. Local time is 11:18. Please keep your seatbelt fastened, all your carry-on items in the aisle square until you're parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs. Use caution opening the overhead bins to please ensure all your personal belongings with you. You may not use your cell phone when it's available at your seat. A customer service agent will be available in the gate area to answer any questions regarding connections or baggage claims. From all of us at Frontier and Yukon B Caribou on a show, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. Prepare doors.
Back doors are disarmed.
Doors verified.